Understanding crystal grid in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, crystal grid. This might sound a bit technical or mystical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's get started and unlock the meaning behind these words. Firstly, let's understand what a crystal is. In English, the word crystal refers to a solid material whose atoms are arranged in a highly ordered structure forming a lattice that extends in all directions. Crystals are often admired for their beauty and precision and can be found in nature or made artificially. Now, on to the second part, grid. A grid is a network of lines that cross each other to form a series of squares or rectangles. In many English contexts, a grid is used to refer to something that is well organized and systematically arranged. When we combine these terms, crystal grid often refers to an arrangement of crystals in a geometric pattern for the purpose of focusing energy, meditation, or decoration. It's a term that's frequently used in areas like alternative healing, meditation practices, and sometimes in interior design. While crystal grid might not be a phrase you use daily, it's good to know in case you come across it in books, articles, or even in conversations about spirituality or design. It's a specific term that can spark curiosity and open doors to new topics in English. And that's a wrap on crystal grid. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning of this unique phrase and added a new element to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey full of surprises, and today you've uncovered one more. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.